Morning guys, as you can see it's a very horrible day today, but it's moving day. So today we have packed up absolutely everything. I mean, everything that's on the floor isn't everything, put most of it in the car already. We've tidied up, we've sorted out our Airbnb, we've got our keys for our new apartment, we got them last night. And now it's just a case of moving absolutely everything of ours that we've got here into the apartment now. So I'm gonna do a little Airbnb show around, and then I'll do a apartment show around as well. So yeah, here we go. So this is the apartment that we've been staying in. This is the kitchen. It's lovely. We've still got to empty the fridge. This is the living room that we've had. Lovely TV. And that's a sofa bed. And then if we turn the light on in here, we've got the washer and dryer in this bit. Lovely squeaky door. And then we've got the bathroom. And then if we just walk around here to the bedroom. Obviously I've made the bed as much as I can. The duvet actually kept falling down to the end, so there's literally no duvet at the top. But yeah, and then we've got our wardrobe here. And then we'll just open this curtain. And then this was our view out of our window. Obviously on a nicer day. But yeah. So that was the Airbnb tour. I hope you liked it. And now we're gonna head over to our apartment. And today we are moving from Calgary, downtown Calgary, to Cochrane. Let's go. Okay, so this is the entrance to our new apartment. As you can see, it's quite a big entrance. You've got the toilet there on the right, and you can see Ed in the living room over there. So on the right here, you've also got a little cupboard, which we've used as our shoe cupboard and where our coats are all hanging. Got our scarves and our hats and everything as well. Now we've lived here for a while, we've kept our all our bike stuff in there as well now, like our helmets. So in here is the laundry room or the pantry room, whatever you want to call it. It's obviously got the dryer on the top and the washer on the bottom. Got loads of shelving on the other side, ironing board, iron, hoover. So it's quite pretty big size room. Really love being able to wash my clothes in there, and no one could see the mess. This is our bathroom, or the washrooms they call it, and there's me. So this is the sink. It's our new towels that we bought, and we got matching flannels and brand new shower head as well, which was great. This is our kitchen, really nice sized kitchen, with the calendar that I bought in Banff, if you remember that from the Banff video. Got a coffee machine, there's our big fridge, microwave, oven, dishwasher. So a really nice sized fridge, kitchen. This is the living room, the sofas, the table and the chair that the guy left for us. And then this is our balcony. Obviously any other day you would see a beautiful view of the mountains, but on this day it was snowy and cloudy and absolutely freezing cold. But nice sized balcony that we're going to get a barbecue for. And then we're coming back inside, which is where our bedroom is. So this is our bedroom. Lovely sized bedroom. Need to get some bedside tables. And then our wardrobe. And I got so excited when I found out it was a walk-in wardrobe. Oh, I absolutely love it. Hi guys. So I didn't actually do much of the moving in. I think I was so tired and there was a lot going on. I was starting a new job and everything. So we didn't have much furniture when we first got here. But the tenant before us moved to BC, which is British Columbia, and had bought all brand new furniture. So we got the TV stand, sofa, table, couple chairs, the bed and the bed-in, the Hoover, loads of kitchen appliances and all that. We got all of that for like $500, which was a really good deal, especially when the TV was like $450 brand new anyway. So we got it all for $500, and although that was enough furniture for the time being, we needed like a table for when we sat on the sofa. So we got 2 side tables and a coffee table from Walmart, which you'll see in a minute, and me and Ed building it together and everything. But yeah, and our the ones who've rented out the apartment to us also bought us a bottle of Prosecco, which we've actually only recently opened, and it's May now. So, but it was lovely, and they're lovely people as well. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of this video. I don't think there's much talking in it. But yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. And I've got to tell you right now, this apartment is everything. I'm gonna add in a video at the end of this video of our view when it's not snowy. Because obviously now it's not snowy, it's getting very green outside. So I'm gonna I'll put a video in at the end of this video of what our view is like. Hi guys. Okay, so as I said, we've got like no furniture here. So we bought ourselves 2 side tables and a coffee table. Ed's gonna do the coffee table and the other side table whilst I'm at work. But for now, let's try and make this. Well, I made it. I did it. And now I'm going to just write it down. I love it. There's so much dust coming off this. Ridiculous. But yeah, I think it's really cool. And then a cupboard as well. Trying to debate whether I get another one for the bedroom or not now. Or if this is our bedroom ones. But it's all done. Not too bad. Might have to do the other one now. Might have to go back down to the car and go and get the other one. And then I'll leave the table to Ed maybe. Maybe we could do that together later. But yeah. We have furniture. Well, I mean, we've got a sofa, we've got TV and everything. But we got furniture. Okay, so this is our coffee table. It's a lovely size. It does collect us really easily, but this is the coffee table. We did finally build it. And I've got something else to show you guys. Because we moved in around Easter, we got some Easter cards from family members, which was really lovely. It was like the first bit of like post we got. I could probably take them down now as we're in May. And then this is the other ones. So I got this card from my parents, which they actually bought whilst I was still in school, and they sent it all the way to Canada for me. And then these two. So it was really lovely of everyone to do that. But yeah, obviously you can see that I've got a flower pot with no flowers. Ed was buying flowers, and then we've actually got a surprise trip booked. So we sort of stopped buying anything for ourselves for a while, and yeah, I've got an empty flower pot now. So I went to Michael's and I just got some bits to do in the evenings and just while I'm watching TV. So we've got an E and we've got an A. And sign, so I'm going to paint them with a wood stain, and then I've got loads of paint, Mod Podge. We've got some burlap mesh, which I'm going to use for loads of different things. I also want to make a welcome sign for our front door, so I'm going to decorate this as well. It's going to say welcome on it, obviously. And loads of paintbrushes, and a glue gun, and some fabric glue. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of DIYing and we'll see how this turns out. Who knows, it could turn out really bad, but we'll try it. So here we go. Okay, so I finally finished my welcome sign. This is it. It's hanging on the inside as we're not allowed to hang anything on the out. I still need to make like a bow to go here. I just haven't had a chance to get around to doing that yet. But yeah, so this is the welcome sign. It's all glued on. It's been up here since I finished it. And I will show you the A&E. Okay, obviously as you can see they're not hung up on the wall, but this is the A&E. I thought they came out pretty good. Kind of like the rustic wood look. Took a few coats, but they're done. So when we first moved in, we had to do our internet and we had to connect to our TV and sort it all out. And obviously we got to choose a name for both of them. So this is the name of our TV. Of course, why wouldn't it be? And then this is the name of our Wi-Fi. As you can see, Ed chose the names, but you know what? It's pretty us. In the next few videos, it's us going to collect our brand new car. We did buy a car. We got the number plate and went through all that process. It was long. It was a long process because you have to get insurance. Well, you have to check the car out, get insurance. Then you have to get your number plate for your car to then go take it back to the original owner of the car to then put it on the car to then be able to drive the car. So it's not as easy as it is in the UK where you literally can just go to someone's house, say, oh, I really like this car, how much is it, pay for it, and then drive off. You can't do that. You have to go through a whole process. So we went and picked up our car and we saw some little friends while we were there.
They're so big, what the hell? Why are they absolutely
There's 4! Okay, we've now got 5 surrounding us.
They're not skittish at all, are they? They couldn't care less.
5 deer, elk, we're not really sure.
Deer.
And then there's one in there, over there, the trees. But look!
Put that in the Canada WhatsApp group. This whole video.
I'm going to, but I'm also feeling as well.
They're so big, aren't they? Wow.
The size of their ears is what I can't get over. Or off they go.
Did that just sneeze?
Yeah. It's got cold.
Just literally came to see a car, and now it's just right outside the house. The size of them is amazing. It's the biggest deer I've ever seen.
It's their ears, I love the ears.
So they're like, there's loads of trees that all like, probably about 10, 15 of them, all laying down in that brush.
And there's two little kisses over there. You see those two in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be the end of the video. I didn't do an outro because there isn't really one for moving in because we're staying here now. This is mine and Ed's first ever home together. It feels weird, personally, for me, to be going through all this without family and friends here, and without being able to invite family over to come see. I mean, they're all coming over this year at some point, which is good, but it does feel weird. And with where I work, with my shifts, I'm sat at home by myself quite often, so I do get a bit homesick, but I have my scarf. My mum will know what I mean by that. I have my scarf. I can call family and friends and everything while I'm at home. But yeah, I can't wait to show my family when they come. We're absolutely loving living here. We're also loving the whole freedom of living by ourselves. As much as we love living with our parents, we love the freedom of living by ourselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed the moving video. It's a bit all over the shop. We had moving and a car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.